Tim, for people looking for drainage in the bathroom, what are the benefits of Stormtech's drainage kits?
Well, Tom, the benefits of our kits are that they're able to cut it to length on site. So they don't have to pre-order it and wait for it to be made. These are designed to come in a certain length that's longer than what's required, and they can cut it to suit. They can put the outlet to suit where it needs to be, all on site without having to fill out the order forms and wait the required time for manufacture.
And so there's a DIY element to this too, I'd imagine?
Yeah, there is. By gluing our ends on and cutting it to the length that they need, they can easily install it themselves.
Yeah, fantastic. Stormtech Drainage Kits, here on display at the Build and Design Centre, 7 days a week. Come and check them out.